type, range of a cos x plus b sin x or a sin x plus b cos x, anything. The range of this type will be always minus root of a square plus b square comma root of a square plus b square. So that means if you feel this one as y, then that y lies in between these two values. So we suggest students to remember this format whenever if you found such thing. The minimum value of the function is minus root of a square plus b square and maximum value is root of a square plus b square. The reason is so clear. So here y will get this one, see that explanation. So this is y equals to, so here multiply and divide by root of a square plus b square. If you multiply and divide by root of a square plus b square, so we will get a structure like this type. This one. So here with the help of these values, if you take a right angle triangle, so here this side is a and this side is b if you take, and this will get root of a square plus b square. So and here some angle alpha will take. Now a by root of a square plus b square can be taken as sin alpha, and b by root of a square plus b square can be taken as cos alpha. So inside the bracket, the overall structure appearing like sin alpha cos x plus cos alpha sin x is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. That is sin of a plus b. So sin of a plus b means we can write sin of x plus alpha. Now here we got a simple trigonometric function. We know that the range of sine function is minus 1 comma 1, that is multiplied with this quantity. That's why what we will get minus root of a square plus b square comma root of a square plus b square. So this is the procedure. So every time instead of doing this process, we suggest students to remember, if you have such situation, the range will be always minus root of a square plus b square to root of a square plus b square. Example, range of sin x minus cos x. To find the range of sin x minus cos x, if you compare, then here a value is minus 1 and b value, so whatever may be capital or small letters, a value is minus 1 and b value is 1. That means sin x minus cos x or y lies in between minus root of a square plus b square and plus root of a square plus b square. So now instead of this, simply we can write y. So y lies in between minus root 2 and plus root 2. So the range is closed interval minus root 2 comma root 2. Next question, range of y equals to this one. Find the range of the function. First we will deal this one, that is 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. So this one lies in between minus under root a square plus b square means 9 plus 16, and here we will get root of 9 plus 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25, root 25 is minus 5. So we will get minus 5 is less than or equals to 3 sin x plus 4 cos x is less than or equals to 5. So the original question is what? Y. So y means what? 5 will be added throughout. So here if I take y, then that indicates that we need to take this one. So that means here what will get 0 is less than or equals to y is less than or equals to 10. So the range is in between 0 to 10. So we are splitting. So we are taking this part, and for this part the range is minus 5 to 5. The original plus 5 is added. So if we are adding 5 means this will become y. So because the function we have taken it as y, so the range is 0 to 10. Range of the function y equals to 5 cos theta plus 3 times of cos of theta plus pi by 3. That is 5 cos theta plus 3 times of cos of a plus b formula is cos a cos b minus sin A sin B. Now we can write it as 5 cos theta plus 3 into cos theta into cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So we can write it as 3 by 2 cos theta minus sin theta into, so sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So now here 5 plus 3 by 2 is 13 by 2 cos theta minus root 3 by 2 sin theta. So this is your function now. So now if you go for the range of the function, see minus root of a square plus b square, that is 169 by 4 plus, so square of this one is 9 by 4. Okay, and here also again root of 169 by 4 plus, sorry, this is 3 by, so this is also 3 by 3. So here 3 is there, huh? Okay, no problem, here 3 is there. So that means 3 root 3 square, 3 root 3 square means how much you will get? 9 into 3, 27. So here we will get 27 by 4. So that is the thing. So 169 plus 27 is 196. 196 by 4 means 49. So root 49 is minus 7. The range is minus 7 to 7. Check the calculation. This problem can be solved. So that is range of 2 cos square x plus 4 sin x cos x plus 4. So first 2 cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x. And here 4 can be split as 2 into 2. So 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. That means we can write it as 2 sin 2x plus 4. Our overall question can be written like this: cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x plus 5. Now a value is 1 and b value is 2. That means we know that cos 2x plus 2 sin x, sin 2x lies in between under root minus a square plus b square. That is 1 plus 4, that is what, root 5, and here also what will get? Root 5. Now we want the situation of y. Y means simply add 5 to this one. So that means 5 minus root 5 to 5 plus root 5. This is the question.